Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'm showing you how to replace a trunk latch on a 7th gen Nissan Maxima. This one stopped working shortly after I got the car. I went and got another one. All you're gonna need is a pry tool and a 10 mil. That's all the tools you need. So what we're gonna do first is pop these little boots off. So do the opposite side. And then of course the little pry tool, dig underneath. Trying to make sure. Can't set you on the tripod. So I'm just gonna do it like this one now. This one don't wanna come out. There you go. So we're just gonna take out 1, 2, 3, and 4. We don't have to take out the whole thing. So there's another one. Dang, some of these don't wanna come out. All right, so now just slide it backwards, up and around the latch. And then this, just slide the black piece. I'll slide this around the black piece. Like so. And then we're gonna get disconnect it, push on this tab and pull out. And then we're gonna move 2 10 mils. And then to remove this, turn it to the side. And then just flip it off. So now we're gonna get out 10 mil. This one. All right, so now we're gonna get our new one. I'm gonna put it back in place. I'll lay y'all down for now. That way I could start hand tightening these. And I'll pick y'all back up in a minute. All right, so now I'm gonna tighten this back. Got this cable from back there. Alright, that's tighten. And remember how we take it off? Just turn it to the side. That's so. It's kind of weird, but that's how it goes. Damn, it's easier taking it off than just putting it in. Ah, there you go. And then turn it back to the side as so. Reconnect. And then let that emergency trunk latch. So just slide it back there. That's so. And then work this piece back around the latch. Same way as we took it off. I'm gonna set y'all down. I'm gonna need to. We use the pry tool to somewhat help. I'm just slowly working it up. That way I'm not creasing this, doing any damage to it. You can remove this from the trunk, but it's way too easy to break the clips behind it. So this method is a little bit easier to where you're not breaking those clips and then you gotta sit there and buy another one of this. know the other side should be a little bit easier. Just got the top portion. And voila. Alright, push that back there. Work this back around. Door latch, trunk latch. I don't know why I said door latch. Alright, so now we got it back in. Now we're gonna put the 2 rubber boots back in. You just push them in. That's so. It didn't go in all the way. Alright. 1. Push and turn. Push the clips in. Of course, the last one always gotta get a freaking hard time to go back in. Anyways, that's how you replace a trunk latch on a 7th gen Nissan Maxima. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.